Welcome to the course Probability Theory and Stochastic Process. In this course, we learn about the fundamental knowledge in probability concepts and the statistical analysis using one random variable and functions of random variables which are applied for engineering applications. And we'll analyze the various concepts like autocorrelation, cross-correlation, power spectral density and many more, which are actually applied for signals. So these are actually basics for signal processing applications. And we'll also see the various noise parts that do occur and overlap on the signals involved in communication. And also we analyze the communication signals and its properties. So we see that every concept is learned over here which can be applied for signals as well as for image processing applications. So these are the course objectives of this course. And coming to the outcomes, once this subject is learned, the student will be able to define probability and interpret probability by modeling sample spaces, construct the probability distribution of a random variable based on real world situations, and it can be used to compute. These are some of the examples: expectation and variance. So like that you have moments, characteristic function and many more. And even apply the concepts of random process in communication and signal processing. And finally, once the signal processing applications are done, then we concentrate on a random process. So random process involving many random signals and varying with respect to time or frequency. And coming to the textbooks that we refer in this course, or the main, I just want to show you only the main textbooks over here. The title of the textbook is Probability, Random Variables and Stochastic Process. It's 4th edition by Athanasios Papoulis. And Probability, Random Variables and Random Process by Su. This is actually Shyam's outlines. For convenience, I have added even the cover pages here. This is a Papoulis textbook of 4th edition. So this is our prescribed textbook. So the complete syllabus is present in this. And coming to the Shyam's outlines, so you already know that for all the subjects we have Shyam's outlines, which gives you all the mathematical examples, so which will help you to practice more exercises. Thank you.